Hi everyone, my name is Ashley D. Castro. Today is March 6th, 2020. Today I'm just going to briefly go over the cardiovascular system. So I found an image on Google that I will just label quickly, and then I'll just trace the blood flow throughout the heart. Alright, so first, I'll start on the right side. We have the superior vena cava, and that's where blood is going to come through. We have the right pulmonary artery, which goes into the lungs. We have the right atrium, the right pulmonary veins, which comes from the lungs. We have the tricuspid valve and the right ventricle. And then right down here we have the inferior vena cava, which blood will also come from. And then moving to the left side, we have the aorta, the left pulmonary artery, which again also goes to the lungs. We have the left atrium, the left pulmonary veins, which come from the lungs. We have the aortic semilunar valve. Here's the bicuspid valve. So on the right side it's tricuspid, the left is bicuspid. And then right down here is the left ventricle. So, the flow of blood through the heart deoxygenated blood is going to come through the superior and inferior vena cava. It's going to enter the right atrium, and then it's going to go through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, it's going to go into the semilunar valve, and then it's going to go in and out of the pulmonary artery into the lungs. Once the blood is in the lungs, it's going to circulate and it's going to become oxygenated. So when it comes back to the heart, you have oxygenated blood that's going to come in through the left and the right pulmonary veins. And then they're actually going to go into the blood is going to go into the left atrium. From there, it's going to go through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle, and then it's going to go into or through the semilunar valve into the aorta, and then from the aorta, it's going to go through the arteries, which is going to lead to the rest of your body. Thank you.